Yeah.
What are you doing, man?
Hey guys, what's up? This is Ryan McCaffrey. Today we're going to be doing round 3. We have done 3 videos so far. Round 1, 2, and this is going to be 3. Daddy's using the Retaliator taken apart into a pistol, and I am using the Modulus Customized. I am Cameraman, he's Carolina Man, and we are the Nerf Gun Bros.
We're bros.
This is the NWT.
You know you're my son for real.
This is an NWT, guys.
Nerf War Time. Woo! Going down, Ryan. Going down.
So I'm going to be hiding this time. This is round 3. Starting in 3, 2, 1.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I see you already, man. That's again, man. Boy, man. Woo!
Crap, bro.
Champion again. I dominated 2-1 for me, Rob.
Crap, bro. Ow! Okay, I get to use the Retaliator this time.
I'm gonna use it. Just shut this off, man. Let's see, guys, you gotta check out. Come on. I'm gonna use what's the other blue one?
Rampage.
Rampage. Come on, get down.
Thank you guys for watching. This is Nerf
Gun Bros.
See you next time on NWT.
Nerf War Time. I'm dominating 2-1 in the killer machine, man.
He's not a kill machine, he's a fat loser.
We show my 6-pack. Oh!
Yeah, right. Nobody wants to see your 6-pack. It's disgusting.